Yeah. It's going down. Remember when we used to play? Now we hustling hard for Escalade and Chevrolet. Gotta get that pay every day. Cause the bills keep coming and the motherfuckers hit you on your face. Shit you on your ass with no pus to piss in. Now it's time to go ahead and get the dividends. Benjamins, no limit. Gotta go hard in these streets, I'm not timid. Never been scared, and no, I don't care. I get your main lady, put shots up in underwear, put shots up in the hair, too hot to touch. I don't give a fuck, they say King James is too much. So ridiculous, out here for these fucking bucks. Boy, riding hard like the trucks, and I'm standing up, I got my chin up. Now we're trying to get that fucking bread up, and don't get bread up, you get your ass killed. It's the boy coming through in the Dannyville. Hey yeah, we shoot and kill, King James even kneel. Talk down on guns, fam, I hit you in your grill. Like a banana, your bitch ass is getting peeled. I don't give a fuck, you don't feel how I feel. I get it how I live, I'm the real deal McCoy. Riding like a fucking talking toy, boy. I'm riding old boss, highway in the lane. It's the boy King James, I ain't fucking with you lame. So get out of my lane before I run your ass over. Smoking on the Doja, an NC soldier. Boy, I thought I told you, you can't fold a noda. When I come through, I'm like a fucking controller. Fucking soldier, blowing on that Doja. Talk down, you get your ass ran over. Boy, I'm like a Dover. When I come through in the game, I'm fucking bulldozer. John Deere, listen to me this year. King James gun fam, shining like some chandeliers. Shining like some motherfucking headlights on a fucking deer. Tipsy off that beer, all that Belvedere. Goose, gin, we mix it all up in here. It's a bowl of make us. Man, you can't take us.